Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support here. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to incorporate and include the LinkedIn into your People plugin person. Alright, so we have a person here that is Dimitar Chervenakov, and he hasn't got the LinkedIn yet. So we edit the person and then go to LinkedIn ID, and now you have to insert it here. Alright, so now you have to go to your LinkedIn and then check the your account. So you have to click on it, and the ID is actually this part of the link above. So it could be also checked if you could click on contact info. So this is it after this slash. So we just copy paste it, copy paste it here and save our changes. And now we see that we have LinkedIn for this person. So when we click, we see that the profile is successfully opened. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and bye bye for now.